This video will show teachers how to assess students' work that they have completed right within the eJournal in ConnectED. When a teacher clicks on the Teacher Edition in the upper left-hand corner, teacher will find that there is a menu tab. When you click on that menu tab and you scroll down, you will have eBooks. The eBooks will get you to the eJournal. Now, be careful. This is not the eJournal. This is just your regular math journal. So you want to keep searching to see where your eJournal is. This happens to be on page 3, and notice it says eJournal Volume 1, Grade 3. Volume 2 is currently being created by McGraw-Hill to upload into ConnectED. So when I go ahead and click on it, you're going to notice that the Student's Journal, eJournal, appears. Now, you will have a little teacher icon in the left-hand corner at the top, and that's going to allow you to review student work. So notice when I clicked on that person, my class comes up. So whichever class I'm looking to assess, I'm going to tap on that, and you will see that all of those students will appear on the left-hand side. I'd like to get to the page that I am working on, so I can click on this arrow here. The arrow will take me to page 3 because that was the assignment. And then once I am there, I can go ahead and click on any student that I want, and that student's work should appear right there. I can then use the pen. I can go ahead and write a star on it, correct it. But when I'm done, I have to make sure that in that upper right-hand corner, I hit that check mark, because then that allows the student to go ahead and see any marks that you may have put on the page. I can also leave a note by putting that sticky note. I can go ahead and write my note, great job, if I wanted to use this type of a system, and then the sticky note would appear on the student's page that I had put it on. You also you're able to view 2 pages at once. You can view 1 page, whatever you prefer. So here I'm only viewing page number 3. When I go to the next student, that student's work starts to appear. If I go to the next student, that student's work would start to appear. Again, I can go ahead, grade the work by writing on it. I just have to make sure that I hit that check mark in the upper right-hand corner so that the student can then see the marks that I have made. So, once again, just to refresh your memory, you're going to go ahead and log into ConnectED. And once you log into your McGraw-Hill ConnectED, you're going to search for your eBooks. Once you find the eJournal, you're going to go ahead and tap on the eJournal, and then you will receive the actual eJournal where you can go ahead and find the page, click on your class, and then you can go ahead and move from student to student to go ahead and assess their work.